The Honeywell Evaporative Tower Air Cooler with fan and humidifier is ideal for cooling rooms up to 280 square feet. The 3-in-1 cooler provides cooling, a fan, and humidification all in one space-saving tower design. The no-compression system cools naturally, efficiently, and inexpensively. When warm air is drawn into the Honeywell Evaporative Cooler, it is filtered through a wet honeycomb cooling media, which absorbs heat and naturally cools and humidifies the air. It's equipped with a 7.9-gallon water tank, easy access top controls, 3 fan speeds to choose from, low water alarm, durable copper continuous water supply outlet, and remote control with a convenient holder. The Honeywell Evaporative Tower Air Cooler with fan and humidifier comes with a 1-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.